In today's video I'll show you how to resume paused downloads on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. Let's get into the method. There are two ways to resume a download. First, you can navigate to the game on the home screen in the Games tab, and then where it says Download Paused, select this, and this should resume the download. You can also resume downloads in the Control Center. Press the PlayStation button first on your controller to open this. It appears at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the icons until you get to the one called Downloads Uploads. Select this, and then in the Download section, look for the game you want to resume. Select this game here, and then select it again to bring up more options. From this menu, choose Resume. Remember that resuming one game download will pause another, so bear this in mind if you have multiple ongoing downloads. That's how to resume paused downloads on your PS5 or PS5 Pro. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.